Dear students, in this video lecture I will teach you about Python operators. Operators are used to perform operations on variables and values. Python divides the operators in the following groups: arithmetic operators, assignment operators, comparison operators, logical operators, identity operators, membership operators, and bitwise operators. Let us discuss each of these operators one by one. Under the arithmetic operator set, we have addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulo operator, exponentiation, and floor division. Let us first discuss about addition operator in Python. Addition operator in Python is same as the normal mathematical addition operator. For example, suppose 5 plus 7 gives you 12. So this is the addition operator. This plus sign is the addition operator in Python also. Similarly, the subtraction operator works in a same way. 6 minus 4 gives you 2. The multiplication operator in Python is represented by the asterisk symbol. For example, 5 asterisk 4 gives you 20. The spaces that I have given between the operand and the operator is not necessary. You may give space or you may not. It is your choice. Like 5 star 4 gives you the same result as 20. Next, we discuss about the division operator. So, division operator works like this. 8 divided by 4 gives you 2. Similarly, 7 divided by 2 gives you 3.5. Now I will discuss an important operator known as the modulo operator. The symbol of the modulo operator is percentage sign. So 5 modulo 2 gives you 1. So 5 modulo 2 gives you the remainder when 5 is divided by 2. Consider another example. 8 modulo division 3 gives you 2, because when you divide 8 by 3 you get 2 as the remainder. Consider another interesting example. Minus 8 modulo division 3 gives you 1, because when you multiply 3 by 3 you will get 9, and 9 minus 8 gives you 1. You need to remember that modulo division always gives you a positive integer number starting from 0, 1, 2 and so on. Now the exponentiation operator in Python. The exponentiation operator in Python is represented by double asterisk. So 5 double star 2 gives you the value of 5 square, that is 25. Now floor division. There is a slight difference between normal division and floor division. So floor division in Python is represented by 2 forward slashes. So when you divide 5 by 2 you get 2.5. So 1 forward slash in Python represent normal division operator, but double forward slash in Python represents floor division. Now you will get only the integer part. So 5 floor division 2 gives you 2, the integer part only. Similarly, 7 divided by 3 gives you 2. Like in any programming language, assignment operator in Python also represented by the equal sign symbol. So x equal to 5 means the value 5 is assigned to the variable x. There are many shorthand assignment operators. Suppose you want to add a value to the already existing value of the variable x. So for that you need to write x equal to x plus 2. So now the value of x becomes 7, but you can use shorthand operator like this, shorthand assignment operator like this, x plus equal to 2, and this also gives you the same value of x. In Python there are many comparison operators. Comparison operators are used to compare two values. For example, 5 equal to 3 checks whether the left hand side value is equal to the right hand side value or not. When you execute this statement, you will get an obvious result, and here the result is false because we know 5 is not equal to 3. Similarly, there is not equal operator. So 5 not equal is represented by this symbol exclamation and then equal sign. So 5 not equal to 3, when you execute this statement you will get true because 5 is not equal to 3. Similarly, 5 greater than 3 gives you true because 5 is greater than 3. Similarly, there are other comparison operators exist in Python. There exist logical operators in Python also. Logical operators are used to combine conditional statements like 5 greater than 4, and if you execute this statement you get a result true. Now you can combine this statement with another statement by using a logical operator, and here I am using the logical operator AND. So the left hand side of this AND logical operator is true, that we have already seen, and consider another arithmetic expression in the right hand side of this AND logical operator. So 5 less than 2. So now the left hand side is true and the right hand side is false. So true and false gives you false. Similarly, there exists another logical operator which is OR. We already know that 5 greater than 4 is true and 5 less than 2 is false. So true or false becomes true. There exists another logical operator in Python, that is NOT. So if we use the same statement as we have used here, and we already know the result is false, and if we want to get the negation of this result, for that we use another logical operator in Python, that is NOT, which negate the result. So the result within the first bracket is false and you negate this, so the result becomes true. In Python there are two identity operators, one is and another is not. Now let us consider one example. Here I have assigned 5 to a variable x and y equals to x, and now I execute this two statement. Now I am checking x is y or not. So here we can see the value of x and the value of y are same, and they basically represent the same memory location also, because here I have assigned y equal to x. So x is y gives you true value. Now I change the value of y to 7, and now I again check x is y or not. So obviously now I will get false as the result, because now y is not same as x. Now if we use x is not y, then obviously I will get true. In Python there are two membership operators, one is in and another is not in. Now let us consider an example. At first we define a list 1. We already know how to define a list using the third bracket like this. So list 1 contains the values 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and it is a list. So now if we check a value 8 present in the list 1 or not, for that we need to write 8 in list 1. So obviously we can see that 8 is not present in the list 1, so we will get a false result. And if we check 3 in list 1 or not, so 3 is there in the list 1, so we will get true. There are many bitwise operators present in Python: AND, OR, XOR, NOT, zero fill left shift, signed right shift. We will discuss about the bitwise operators in a separate video lecture. Thanks for watching this video lecture. Please subscribe, like and share. Goodbye.